Hello friends, I'm again back with my new video of Creative Mind A to Z. So today I will be introducing you to a coding game and its name is Lightboard. Let me type the spelling for you all. To light, first you will write light and then board, lightboard. Or you can simply write them together also, it depends on you. So this app will come. I have already downloaded it. I will open it now and show you how to play. You have to just click here OK if it shows you. And this then start button. Then basics you will click like this and then go to 1. Now it will come. See. Welcome to Lightboard. Tap anywhere to continue. I need your help to light all the blue tiles. The walk command tells me to walk forward. The light command tells me to light up a tile. Good luck. So right now only these much commands are there, but there will be more commands. First let's see. 1, 2 steps it will walk and then bulb. Play. Done. Now I'll go forward. Now this is another. Good job. Here are some new commands. The left commands tell me to turn left counterclockwise, and the right command tells me to turn to the right clockwise. Good luck. So again I will take 2 steps and let's play first. Now after taking 2 steps I will move which side so that I can continue. So right or left. So let me check. I think so we should go first. Let's try right. Oh sorry, it will be left, because when it will turn to its left then it will move this side. Now I'll play again. See, step. Now again I'll play so that you can see step by step procedure. Now here it's standing and again it will turn to the left, then only it will move. Now see, this will be like no, 2 more and then a bulb so that it can color the tile yellow. See, it's done. So I will play till level 3 only for you, because this is the last new command, that's why. And in the other cases tells me to, so when the cases is to jump up, you can use the spring icon to jump up, and in other cases it tells the sprite, this is called the sprite, this robot. So and in other cases it tells the sprite to jump down. Okay, good luck. Now see. Now first of course it will spring. Let me show you. See, done. Now it's here. It should move right side so that it will go. See. Done. Again spring. I'm showing you step by step so that you can understand. Again right side. Now again a jump and then this bulb. See, it's done. Okay, so and then wait, let me do it more, because yeah, this one is the hardest level. I will do till level 5 now, and after that you can understand it. And this game is an offline mode and it's only of 18 MB and it really sharpens your mind. So kindly download it and the link will be given in the description. So again I will move 2 steps like I have moved. Now I will move left side. See, I move left side and jump. Again I will jump. So now it will jump down. See, it's done. Again jump. I'm showing you step by step so that you understand. Again jump and then a bulb. Now you see how, and it is all about your mind, how you are thinking it. So I thought it in a nice way. Now remember, I have to light all the blue tiles. That means you have to light all the blue tiles. So now I will first click obviously a bulb. See, it's done. Now I will jump down. So it has jumped down and this he has to move, and now he will turn left. It has turned. Now again one time move forward and bulb. So it has done. Again I will jump it down. See, now it will turn, I think so, right. Wait, let me see. No, it will turn left. This is also main thing. See now, and see, if this yellow box will get over, then you will not be able to. So you have to think you have to find out the shortcut, not the long cut. Okay, so now again 2 steps and a bulb. Now I will be completing this level, I think so. See, I done. Now I will do this test which I told you to do. I have done. So kindly try this app, and it sharpens your mind as I told you, and the link is in the description. Again, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell and click all options so that you will be able to see all my videos. Thank you, and the link is in the description. You can get from there. Thank you.